Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common motorcycle issue: chain noise. If your bike sounds like a rusty bicycle, with that annoying chain slap, this video is for you. I know that chain noise can be incredibly frustrating. It's a constant distraction, and it can even make your bike feel less responsive. But don't worry, it's a problem we can fix. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to properly check your chain tension, clean off all that gunk, and lubricate it for a smooth, silent ride. Let's get started. First things first, safety. Make sure your motorcycle is on a stable surface and the engine is off and cool. We don't want any accidents. Now, let's check the chain tension. Find the tightest point on your chain. Use your fingers to gently lift the chain up and down. Midway between the sprockets, you should have a certain amount of play, usually about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, depending on your motorcycle's specifications. Check your owner's manual for the exact measurement for your bike. If the chain is too loose, it will slap against the swing arm, making noise and potentially damaging your bike. If it's too tight, it can put excessive stress on your chain, sprockets, and even your transmission. If your chain tension needs adjustment, locate the chain adjusters on your swing arm. They're usually near the rear axle. Loosen the axle nut. Now, use the adjusters to move the rear wheel back or forward until the chain tension is correct. Make sure to adjust both sides of the axle evenly to keep the wheel aligned. Once you've achieved the correct tension, tighten the axle nut to the manufacturer's specified torque. Next, let's get rid of the gunk. You'll need a chain cleaner, a brush, and some rags. Apply the chain cleaner to the chain, following the product's instructions. Use the brush to scrub away all the dirt, grime, and old lubricant. Be thorough, making sure to get into all the links and crevices. Rinse the chain with water if the cleaner requires it, and then wipe it dry with a clean rag. Make sure the chain is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Now for the lubrication. Choose a chain lubricant specifically designed for motorcycles. Apply the lubricant to the inside of the chain, where it contacts the sprockets. Rotate the rear wheel slowly as you apply the lubricant, ensuring you cover the entire chain. Wipe away any excess lubricant with a clean rag. This prevents the lubricant from flinging off while you're riding and attracting more dirt and grime. And that's it. Your chain should now be clean, properly tensioned, and lubricated. Take a moment to admire your work. Now, hop on your bike and take it for a ride. You should immediately notice a difference. The chain slap should be gone, and your ride should be much smoother and quieter. In the aftershot, we'll see a silent ride. No more annoying chain noise. Just the sweet sound of your engine in the open road. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.